Hi. Good morning. Good morning. Hi, good morning. Hi. Good morning. Hi. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Hi, good morning. Good morning. Yeah. Bagunnara. Good morning. Good morning. Yeah. Bagunnara. Okay, very good. Very good. So everyone Manchi at home. Good morning. Yeah. So everyone at Manchi at home. Yeah. Okay. Very good. I'm also Manchi. If students are Manchi, then teacher will be also Manchi. Directly proportional. Yeah. So what's going on at home? क्या हो रहा है घर पे? Chilling with studying. Yeah, Ashwak, very good. Sir, we are chilling, but we are chilling not normal way. We are chilling in a legend way. And that is, sir, chilling with studying. This is what everyone is doing, chilling with studying. Yeah, Joshita is also saying, sir, chilling with studying. Yeah, other people are not saying anything. That means they are not chilling with studying. They are chilling with some other things. Nah? Is it like that? Good morning. Yeah. Then no, sir. Then chilling with what? Chilling with studying. Yeah, okay. Chilling with food also. Very good. Chilling with food, chilling with studying. Only three things are there, sir. Sleeping, eating, and studying. For us, only three things exist for coming NEET exam. Eating, sleeping, and studying. Yeah, and out of them, most priority is studying. Yeah, is it okay? Am I correct? Vivo, very good. Yeah, okay, very good. In between, you gave test also. Weekend test was also there. How was your PACE exam? Tell me your marks. Vikram 140, good, no problem, but you can get better marks. Ashwak, very good. Ashwak 170 and 655, very good. 1938, 115 physics, very good. Oppo 147, very good. 158, very good. 630 total, very good. 22, 3148, good. Gayatri 147, good. Charisma 118 physics, very good. Charisma, very good. 645 and 118 physics, very good. Dallas 95, very good. 95 is kuncham less, work hard. Somewhere you are doing mistake. Khaja 135, more than 120 is good marks. Yeah, more than paper was of NEET standard. So more than 120 is a good marks in this paper. Okay, no problem. Yeah. Sri Vaishnavi 130. Okay, that is also good marks. No problem. Yeah. Less than 80 is chadda marks. From 80 to 120, okay marks. Sare marks. Yeah. Lisha, your marks is sare. Yeah. More than 120, manchi marks. More than 150, chala manchi marks. More than 180, chala manchi marks. Yeah. Sham 165, 600. That's also good. Okay, no problem. Shall we start with the class doing hard work? Continue that hard work. Sanju, that's also good marks, 145. Yeah. Shall we start with the class? Shuru kare kya? Okay, Sanju, very good. Huh? So, give me idea what we studied at the end of last class. From there, we will start. Ashwak, so work hard in bio. Bio, you have to cross 350. Acha, equation of trajectory. Acha, we derived equation of trajectory. Acha, did we wrote equation of trajectory in the form of range? No, sir. Okay, no problem. Yeah. Acha, did we do any numerical from there? How to find range? How to find angle of projection? No problem. Means we have just derived equation. I think we have just derived equation of trajectory. Yeah, okay, material I will talk at the end. Those things we can talk at the end. So we just derived equation of trajectory. So, okay, no problem. Yeah. So we have to see numericals also. We have to see how numericals will be asked for. Yeah, okay, yeah. Only the thing is that I said you at the end that this is a quadratic equation. Quadratic equation represents parabola. I think this is only thing that we studied. Yeah, okay, no problem. Huh? So again I will write the equation, then we'll move towards the numericals which are designed specially for equation of trajectory. These questions are solved using only one thing, that is the equation of trajectory. We'll talk about that. Yeah. So first thing, we got equation of trajectory, y equal to x tan theta minus half g x square by u square cos square theta. This is the equation of trajectory that we got. Okay, no problem, no problem. Yeah, now be focused, yeah. Always remember, with x what is there, in the equation, with x what is there, tan theta. This knowledge will help you to find angle of projection. With x we are talking about this part, not with x square. We are talking about x part. So with x you will have tan theta. So always remember, this will help us wherever numerical will come. Whatever will be present with x, that you will compare with tan theta. From there you will get angle of projection. Okay, no problem, no problem. Yeah. So for example, one numerical I will tell you. After that I will give you one numerical you will do. Just here in one numerical I will tell you the entire process. How to find angle of projection, how to find range of projectile, and using them how to find maximum height attained by the projectile. So just here, very basic thing. If you understand, you'll get the idea, and then nothing to remember. If you have little idea, if you understand, you'll be able to do all the question based on equation of trajectory. Just see here how we'll be talking. Just see. Yeah, okay. For example, someone gave me equation. This is how question will come. They will say you equation of trajectory. For example, someone is giving you equation of trajectory is given y equal to x minus x square by 4. So first question that they will ask you, find angle of projection. Can you tell me what is angle of projection? Angle of projection will be 45, because you know, if anyone asks you angle of projection, you can get in one line. You'll be simply saying, sir, I know in equation of trajectory with x we have tan theta. Here with x what we have, sir, we will just compare from here. Sir, here with x tan theta is there, so here also with x tan theta will be there, and here that is 1. That means from here I can say that tan theta will be equal to 1. Because you know with x what will be always there, tan theta will be there. Here with x 1 is there, that means value of tan theta is 1. That means theta will be coming as 45 degree, which everyone was saying also. No problem. Angle of projection will come 45 degree. Yeah. Can you tell me what will be range of projectile? Anyone can say what will be range? Oppo is saying the range. Very good, Oppo. Yeah. Sunita is also saying the range. Very good. Can anyone tell me what is the process to find range? How we can find range with the help of equation? Sunita is saying the method also. Yeah. Okay. Very good. Very good. Be focused. Just see here. Okay. Yeah. Range will be coming as 4 meter. Yeah. Joshita is also saying. Geetika is also saying. Sanju, don't do like that. You can find, but that will be lengthy. You will be doing mistake while doing that. Just see here, understand. Whenever you need to find range, see what you have to do. No formula, nothing, no trick, just basic concept. Yeah. You tell me, yeah, Gagandeep, very good. Range will be coming as 4. We will get range as 4. Just see here how we'll be talking, how to get the range. First thing, always remember, equation of trajectory means this is the equation of path. You tell me, when x, range means which coordinate, x coordinate or y coordinate? Range means which coordinate, x or y? Range means displacement along x axis, it is x coordinate. You tell me, when x will be equal to r, what will be the value of y? What will be the value of y? Range means ball has landed on the ground. If the ball has landed, what is the meaning of range? Range means the horizontal distance where ball land on the ground. So always remember, range means ball has landed on the ground. If the ball has landed on the ground, its height is 0. If its height is 0, its y coordinate is 0. Always remember, whenever equation is given and it is asked to find range, For range, always remember, range means this. Range means, sir, you have thrown the ball has landed on the ground. This is the meaning of range. This position is the range. At this time, this x coordinate is your range, and at that time this x coordinate will be range, and at that time y coordinate will be 0. So always remember, range means you have thrown the ball has reached to the ground, ball has fallen on the ground. That means height of the ball is 0. That means y will be 0. So always remember, for range in the equation, put y 0. Once you put y 0, value of x will give you range. So for range, no need to do anything. Range simply means ball has landed on the ground. If ball has landed on the ground, its y coordinate is 0. So take help of that. Put y 0. Put y 0. If you put y 0, you'll get 0 equal to x minus x square by 4. From here, you'll get x equal to 4. And this is nothing. This is your range. Everyone got the idea? Process to find the range. Initially y0, x also 0. That is the point of projection. We are not talking about point of projection. Initially also y is 0. So here if y is 0 means x is also 0. Yeah, okay, no problem. So y0, x0, this is a point of projection. We are talking about range. How you will find h max? How you will find h max? If anyone asks you to find h max, then for h max what you will do? Always remember, no, Vikram, be careful. You already know tan theta na. You already know range na. So for h max, use this result. Tan theta equal to 4 h max by r. This is the result that you'll. That's why you calculated tan theta. That's why you calculated range. Put here, you'll get the answer. So tan theta will be 1. Okay, no problem. Because 45 degree, 4 h max. H max you don't know. R you calculated 4. So from here, h max will be coming as 1 meter. समझ में आया? बोलो बोलो बोलो. समझे क्या? Yeah, Vivo, it's a very basic thing everyone can get. Yeah. So no need to do a people write y equal to ax plus bx square. From there they try to no, nothing required. Nothing required. You must know meaning of range. You tell me when x will be equal to r, at that time what will be your y? What will be your y? Y0. So put karo na, put in the equation y0. Whatever x you'll get, that is representing you the range. That is the value of range. Once you know range, once you know theta, you can find h max tan theta equal to 4 h max by r. Done, done, done. Can I give you one question which you will solve completely? Yeah, okay, very good. Without my help, everyone will solve. You write equation of trajectory for an oblique projectile. Equation of trajectory for an oblique projectile is given as y equal to root 3x minus x square by 2. You can find velocity also, but that is not asked. You can find velocity also by comparing. Yeah. Equation of trajectory for a projectile is given as y equal to root 3x minus x square by 2. Very good. Theta everyone has said. Find angle of projection, range. They ask this range. From equation of trajectory, mainly range is asked. H max. Range will come to root 3. Very good, Vikram. Very good, Ashwak. Very good, Sajia. Trishal, very good. Trishal, it is 2 root 3, not 3 root 3. Saladi, very good. Vivo, very good. Vikram, see H max, you are following the wrong method. Every time you are getting 4 times of the answer. Don't do like that. Gayatri, very good. Range will come, yeah, H max will come 3 by 2. H max will come 3 by 2, 1.5 meter. H max will come 3 by 2, 1.5 meter. Yeah. Okay, yeah. 1509, all answers correct. Samira given H max, very good. Alia given angle now, very good. Sham given, Vivo given, Nani given, Ashwak, all answers given, very good Ashwak. Those who will give all answers now, I will only say very good to them. So I think everyone will get, yeah. No problem, Vikram. Last time also you forget in the last numerical. That's why also I said. There also you're getting 16. Yeah. So I think H max will come 3 by 2, not Baba. Bhargavi, very good. Double 2, 3000, very good. All answers given. So I'll simply say it's very easy. You will be lucky. If question will come from equation of trajectory, you will be lucky. Very easy to find. Joshita, very good. Varsha, very good. I'll simply say, sir, with x, what we have always, tan theta. So here our tan theta is, sir, root 3. That means theta will be, sir, definitely 60 degree. Okay, no problem. Jyotika, yeah, correct. Sajia, correct. Now I think everyone is giving all the answers. Sir, range means what? Sir, for range, I know range means ball has fallen on the ground. Once ball has fallen on the ground, y will be 0. So in equation put y 0. So 0 will be equal to root 3x minus x square by 2. So from here x will be coming as 2 root 3. This is our range. This is our value of range. Once you know range, h max you can find, because you know tan theta will be coming as 4 h max by r. Just Petandi value. Answer Vastundi. H max is coming from here 1.5 meter, or you can say 3 by 2 meter. Done, 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 done. Equation of trajectory, everyone will be able to do with 100% confidence. Equation given, find h max, find range, find angle of projection. We can do, sir. What to do? Very easy, sir. With x, always tan theta will be there, and for range y will be 0. And once we know range and range and tan theta, we can find h max using tan theta equal to 4 h max by r. Done. Bolo bolo. Now we will move towards the next part. We'll talk about one more form. 90% of situation are related with this basic form of equation of trajectory, which we derived in the last class. Y equal to x tan theta into 1 minus y equal to x tan theta minus half g x square by u square cos square theta. But if you want, you can write equation of trajectory in the form of range also. You write EOT in form of range, because many times range is given directly to you. There you will not be there. There they will ask you different type of question. We will see that. You write EOT, equation of trajectory in form of range. Equation of trajectory EOT in the form of range. Anyone remembered? Anyone remembered? Equation of trajectory in the form of range. If you remembered, you can type, no problem. Bolo, 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 jaldi. Trishal is saying, yeah. Geetika is saying 100% correct. Very good, Geetika. Trishal also correct. Gayatri also correct. Naveen Kumar is also saying correct. In Phoenix is also saying Surit. I think everyone knows. So I will derive it quickly. I will derive, because once I will derive, it will more settle in your brain. Finally, you have to remember it. Finally, you have to remember it only. But if I will derive, that will settle in your brain more fastly. Or if you forget this, you can get in the exam. So just here how we'll talk about equation. Yeah. Y equal to x tan theta into 1 minus x by r. Very good. This is how we'll get equation of trajectory in the form of range. If you feel any problem, just see here how we can derive it. How we can derive it in one line. Yeah. And we will derive from the basic equation. Basic equation is that only. The first derivation that you saw now, that is the basic equation of trajectory. From there we get it. So we'll simply say, sir, y equal to x tan theta into, y equal to x tan theta minus half g x square by u square cos square theta. Is it okay? Is it okay? This is the equation of trajectory. Shall I derive from here? Are you okay that I will derive it? See here, in one line. Not much effort required. Just see how I will do. Achha, you tell me, can I do like this? Can I do like this? Instead of writing this half here, 2 I will write here. Instead of writing g here, I'll bring g here. And instead of writing cos square theta, I will write cos theta into cos theta. Is it okay? Is it okay? Same thing I have written. Is it okay? No changes I did. Just arrangement, rearrangement. In organic, you study a rearrangement of the compound, rearrangement of the molecules. Yeah. Okay. No, same thing. Rearrangement. Yeah. Now, yeah. Okay. Now, can I multiply sine theta and divide by sine theta? Still no change. Same thing. Multiplied by sine theta, divided by sine theta. But once you did now, you realize something started appearing there. Something has come there. Now, if you see, you'll realize. See here, u square into 2 sine theta into cos theta by g. That is, from here you can, are you getting range for here? Are you realizing? U square into 2 sine theta into cos theta by g, that is the range. That is the range. U square sine 2 theta base 2 sine theta into cos theta. Dekho, see there, u square into 2 into sine theta into cos theta by g. And this sine theta by cos theta, this sine theta by cos theta is your tan theta. This sine theta by cos theta which is left is your tan theta. So this equation finally became, 1509, very good. This equation finally became y equal to x tan theta minus x square is already there. This sine theta and this cos theta gave you tan theta. And here remaining quantity is nothing, sir. Remaining quantity is the range. Remaining quantity is the range. From here, if you want, you can take something common. You can take x tan theta. Here also you can take common. So this will become x tan theta into 1 minus x by r. This is the equation of trajectory in the form of range. Done, done, done. If you want, you can derive it. If you want, you can derive it. You can write, no problem. So that tomorrow somewhere, if you forget, you can get r equal to a by b, all those things not required. Range will come directly, you know, for range. Put y 0. Everyone got? Now understand how numericals will come from here. How a very good type of question is asked from here. A very good type of question is asked from here. If you don't know this form of equation of trajectory now, then calculation will become very lengthy. So that's why I told you this equation. Acha, here what is y coordinate? What is y? What is y? What is y? What is y? Y is the height of the point through which projectile is passing. Y represent height of each point through which projectile is passing in its path. X represent what? X represent what? X coordinate, horizontal distance. X represent x coordinate, means horizontal distance. Y represent vertical height, y coordinate through which body is passing. I asked you in the last class how many points it is passing. It is passing through infinite point. So for all those points, if you know x, you can find y. If you know theta, x and range, you can find y. I'll give you one question. See here how to use this equation of trajectory, this form of equation of trajectory. You write a boy projects a ball. A boy projects a ball to just cross a tower. To just cross a tower at a distance of 4 meters from him. A boy projects a ball to just cross a tower at a distance of 4 meters from him. If the ball falls on other side of tower, if the ball falls on other side of tower at a distance of 8 meter from tower, at a distance of 8 meter from tower, if the ball falls on other side of tower at a distance of 8 meter from tower, then find its height, if angle of projection is 45 degree. If angle of projection is 45 degree. Bikram, don't do calculation mistake. If angle of projection is 45 degree, there's a chance of doing mistake, so always follow diagram. Draw one tower, mark the distance of tower, mark the distance where ball is falling. Then use the equation of trajectory, the form of range. Range is given. Trishal has said the correct answer. Trishal, very good. Samira, wrong. You see, 3 people gave answer, 2 people wrong answer. Ashwak, correct, very good. Del, wrong. Because you're not drawing the diagram. Diagram nahi banao, you'll be confused with X, Y and R. DJ 7 wrong. Bhargavi wrong. You are not using X properly. What is range coming? What is range? What is range? What is range? 12. Range is 12. Yeah, so you know. X will be how much? X will be how much? X will be how much? X will be 4. So put there now. Then why you are not getting? Then everyone will get. Height means Y coordinate. You'll get. Theta is given 45. तो सब चीज तो दिया हुआ है. Are you doing mistake in addition? Multiply. Geetika correct. Sabira wrong. Nani correct. Sajia wrong. 3. How people are getting 3? 8 by 3 will come. Height of the tower will come 8 by 3. Some people are doing mistake because diagram nahi banaya. These are the situation where you have to draw the diagram. These are the situation where you have to draw the diagram. If you don't draw the diagram, you will not get the answer. I will simply say, what's so big deal? Yeah, 8 by 3 will come. Vivo correct, Sanju correct, Jyotika correct. I will simply say, what's so big deal, sir? What's so big deal? Kya hai isme? Okay, no problem. Sir, sir, what is said here? What is said here? A ball is projected to, a boy throws a ball just to cross a tower. Just to cross a tower. You see, it is just crossing a tower at a distance of 4 meters from him and falling on the other side. Falling on the other side at a distance of, this is how he has thrown the ball. So boy is just passing it. Falling on other side at a distance of 8 meters from him. Angle of projection given 45 degree. Now you will simply say, point is this through which your ball is passing through the particular point whose X coordinate is given 4. Y coordinate you want. This because this Y coordinate will represent your height of the tower. This is not H max. Some of the people do mistake. They start thinking this is H max. No, tower is not located at maximum height. Nowhere it is said. So I'll simply say, sir, what will happen? Tower ball will cross the tower. Which point ball is crossing? Just crossing means they are saying ball is just crossing. Yeah. Sahitya very good, Gagandeep very good. Just crossing the tower means why word just crossing is given? Why word just crossing is given? So that Y coordinate will be height of the tower. So that Y coordinate, Sajia correct. So that Y coordinate will be height of the tower. Just it can cross tower like this also now. So here Y coordinate will be not height of. That's why they are saying just crossing. So that Y coordinate will be height of the tower. Now once you know this, now you can put in the formula. You already know. So from here range we can write. So range will be coming as 12. What is X coordinate of the tower? You want height of the tower now. So you need X coordinate of the topmost point of the tower. X coordinate will be coming as 4 sir. We know sir y equal to x tan theta into 1 minus x by r. Just pattern D. Sir, y coordinate means height. X entha 4 tan theta tan 45 into 1 minus 4 by 12. So from here if you put h will be coming as 4 tan 45 1. So this is 4 into this will give you 2 by 3. So this will give you height of the tower 8 by 3 meter. If things are given in meter, it will come 8 by 3 meter. Done. Samira, yeah, correct. Everyone understood? Yeah, okay, very good. Yeah. So this is how slowly we have completed our part oblique projection. Now we'll move towards our next part. What is next part? What is next type of projectile? Horizontal projection. You write horizontal projection. Horizontal projection. Horizontal projection. Horizontal projection. Horizontal projection. Horizontal projection. Shall we start? If you feel okay, you can say done, sir. We will start. Yeah, and I know once I will say done, sir, you'll start saying done, sir. Very good. Bahut badhiya. Now be focused, yeah. And actually horizontal projectile is easy part. It's an easy part only if your formula will be there. If you have those formula in your mind, 90% of question you can solve. But if you want 100% of question, then you have to understand the concept also. So first thing you tell me, why here word horizontal word is given? What is the meaning of horizontal projection? What is the difference between horizontal projection and oblique projection? Horizontal projection means entire initial velocity to the ball you will give in horizontal direction. From the height you can throw the ball obliquely up also. Now just see here, what are the possibilities we have? For example, if you are standing at the top of the building, you can throw the ball like this also at some angle with the horizontal, oblique up. Yeah, Gayatri is saying correct. Yeah, oblique up. You can throw oblique down also. You can throw like this also. Here ball will go like this. Here ball will go like this. You tell me, are these horizontal projection? These are oblique projection from certain, and horizontal projection means whatever the velocity. Projection means you give velocity to the ball. Projection means you are going to give initial velocity to the ball. So horizontal projection means whatever the power you have to give velocity, all the velocity will be given in horizontal. Are you getting my point? Horizontal projection means entire initial velocity of the body will be only in one direction, and that is horizontal direction. But you tell me, will it continue to move? You throw in horizontal. Will it continue to move in horizontal only like this? Will it continue to move in horizontal like this? No. Why not? Why it will come down? Why it will come down? Bolo, due to gravity. So with time, gravity will pull it down. Due to that pulling down also, one vertical velocity, initially no vertical velocity, but with time you'll find that vertical velocity will be developed. So our target will be to talk about all these things. Just see here, we are going to now draw horizontal projection. Just see here, yeah, okay. So assume you are standing at the top of a tower of height h. Okay, no problem. I am having a ball in my hand. I am going to throw the ball horizontally. Horizontally means mottam initial velocity. Whatever the power you have, whatever the initial velocity you can give, you gave only in one direction. And that direction is your ux. That direction is horizontal direction. That means along horizontal, that means ux will be equal to u. And in vertical direction, can you tell me what will be ui? What will be ui? 0. This horizontal, na, that means vertical will be sunna. No vertical velocity is given. Only you have given velocity to the ball only in horizontal direction. That's why name is horizontal projection. So vertical initial velocity is 0. But what will happen is the gravity will pull it down. Slowly, slowly it will fall down and it will strike the ground. This distance on the ground from the bottom of tower where ball will land is known as range of projectile, and the time taken by the projectile to reach the ground is known as time of flight. Our target will be to calculate this range and to calculate this time of flight. Is it okay? Is it okay? Now see here, yeah. So ux will be u, ui will be 0. Ux will be u, ui will be 0. Okay, no problem. Acha, can you tell me what will be ax and what will be ay? What will be ax? Ax will be 0. Still in horizontal, no force acts on the ball. And once not only ball, once anything is in air, in horizontal, no force acts. So that's why ax will be 0. And ay we will take as plus g. Ay we will take as plus g, because what will happen? Ball is also going down, gravity is also going down. Gravity is also downward, ball is also going downward. That's why better to take ay as plus g there. Okay, no problem, no problem. Now just see here. Someone asked me, sir, okay, we understood, sir. Ax will be 0, ball is coming down. So that's why you are taking gravity as plus g. Due to gravity only it is coming down. So ball also going down, gravity also down. So ay you have taken plus g. But someone asked me, tell us the time of flight, sir. In how much time ball will reach to the ground? You can find time of flight very easily. Just see here how equation of motion will help you. Someone asked me, find time of flight. You tell me, what is meaning of time of flight? What is meaning of time of flight? The time in which ball will reach to the ground. That means height of the ball will become 0. Height of the ball will become 0 means displacement along y-axis will be h. So always remember, I will simply say, sir, you want time of flight? Now I know when time will be equal to time of flight, displacement along y-axis will be h. See here, when ball came from here to here, how much distance, how much displacement it made in vertical direction? Initially it was at h, now it is at 0. So how much displacement it made in vertical direction? That will be equal to height h. That is the meaning of time of flight. The time of flight means ball was here, it fall on the ground. So this time is known as time of flight. So how much vertical displacement it made? Vertical displacement is equal to h. So I can say sy will be equal to h, and this will be equal to ui into t. Ui into t, I'm using second equation of motion, plus half ay into t square. But you know na, ui will be 0. So from here you can write h will be equal to half ay. Ay you know g into t square. So from here you will get time of flight. Time of flight in which it will reach the ground under root of 2h by g. This is the time of flight for horizontal projection. Have you seen this time of flight earlier also? Have you seen this time of flight earlier also? Where same as free fall, time of horizontal projection and time of free fall both will come equal. Can you tell me why time of flight for horizontal projection and time of free fall are coming equal? Is some magic is there? No magic is there. It's all about physics. Time of flight for horizontal and free fall will be equal. Free fall or dropping, both will be equal. Why? Because both ball fall on ground not due to you, not due to horizontal velocity. Ball fall on ground due to vertical velocity. In dropping also, what is initial velocity in vertical direction? 0. In horizontal projection also, what is initial velocity in vertical direction? 0. That's why time taken is same. Are you getting the idea? You can write the place where you have derived this, you can write there. This previous year NEET question only. I'll give you exactly question. You write, time of free fall and horizontal projectile are equal. Time of free fall and horizontal projectile are equal. Time of free fall and horizontal projectile are equal because initial vertical velocity in both cases are zero. Because initial velocity in both cases are zero. Always remember, falling, reaching ground will be decided by y component. Y for both is zero. That's why you are going to get same time. Is it okay? Okay. Is it okay? समझ में आया? So time of free fall or time of horizontal projection will be same, under root of 2h by g. Under root of 2h by g. Now someone asked me, okay sir, we understood that also. Sir, we got the idea. But tell us about the range. Someone asked me about range. I'll simply say range means displacement along which axis? Range means displacement along x-axis. That means, sir, that will become, sir, ux into t plus half x into t square. But we again know x will be 0. That means range will come simply ux into t. Previously also same came. Now also same, because in horizontal no acceleration is there. But in horizontal projection, you know, ux will be equal to u. Time of flight just now you calculated. So range will finally come u into t. Ux is u here. Mottam velocity in horizontal direction. So ux is u. So u into t. T you know. Under root of 2h by g. So this is the result for range. Done, 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 done. Bolo, 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 bolo. Yeah, okay, very good, very good. Yeah. So tell me, what is the formula for time of flight? Time of flight for horizontal projectile, time of flight, T will be equal to, jaldi, T will be equal to, if you cannot type, you have to speak at your home. T equal to under root of 2h by g, T equal to under root of 2h by g, T equal to under root of 2h by g. You tell me what is the formula for range. Range will be equal to, R will be equal to u into under root of 2h by g, u into T, or we can say, sir, u into under root of 2h by g, u into under root of 2h by g. Done, 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 done. Now be focused. Now be focused. Be focused. Yeah. I am going to do some more things here. थोड़ा ध्यान से. Be focused. Then we'll do numerical. Be focused. थोड़ा ध्यान से. Be focused. Bring understanding what I'm trying to tell. What I'm trying to tell. Be focused. Understand. Just see here. Yeah. Acha, if you see now, I was saying, acha, in the beginning, no vertical velocity. But you tell me, is it like that? Velocity in the beginning only horizontal. Is it like that? Always velocity of the projectile here will be horizontal. Does not, no, because as the ball is coming down, gravity is pulling it. With time, it will develop vertical velocity. Horizontal will remain same as u, because no acceleration is the horizontal. So what you will find now, after some time t, when projectile is here, its velocity will be now not horizontal. Its velocity will be like this. Due to vertical component developed by gravity, its velocity will also change, direction will also change. Now it will have both velocity, vertical also, horizontal also. And horizontal will be exactly same. Can you tell me why horizontal will be same as u? Why final velocity in horizontal will be same as u? Because x is 0. So here Vx will be there, here Vy will be there. If you want, you can find separately. Sir, Vx I can find ux plus x into t after time t. So Vx will be coming as x is 0. So Vx will be same as ux and ux will be u. This is what I was trying to tell you. It will remain as u. No acceleration is there in horizontal. That's why velocity will remain same as u. And in vertical, can you tell me, which you can find with the help of equation also? First equation of motion. Don't think I'm using anything very high-fi. First equation, yeah, because time is given, yeah. Vertical velocity also similarly you can find, sir, Vy will be equal to Uy plus Ay into T. Sir, in the beginning Uy was 0, but now see gravity, this is what I was saying, you gravity was pulling, Ay will be G, so Vy will become G into T. This is what I was saying, as the ball is going, so gravity is pulling it down, down, down. So Vy will be equal to Gt. So Vy will be coming as Gt. Is it okay? Is it okay? Okay, Gayatri, yeah. So x velocity remains constant u because there is no acceleration, but due to gravity y component develops some velocity. Vertical directions of velocity is developed, and that velocity will be using first equation. We can write gt. So from here, we can also find from here we can also find angle with the horizontal. Question is asked many times, find the angle alpha with the horizontal. You can find this alpha. If you know Vx, Vy, you can find tan alpha. Tan alpha will come Vy by Vx. Vy you know Gt and Vx is your u. So this is the result to find angle made by final velocity with the horizontal. Bolo, 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 bolo. Are you know the Vx na? You know the Vy na? Angle with the horizontal you can find na? Are T is the time, Baba. Sajia, what is Sajia? Vy, what is T here? T is the time. Time after which velocity will be Vy. So we can find tan alpha Vy by Vx, that is Gt by u. You can also find net velocity now, because velocity is increasing now, gravity is developing some velocity, potential energy is getting lost, kinetic energy is getting converted. They can ask you find the final velocity after time t. You know this velocity also, under root of Vx square plus Vy square, which will come, you know, you know all this value. So Vt will come under root of Vx, you know u, so u square. Vy you know Gt, so Gt whole square. This is the final velocity after time t. So these are the four important results that we have in horizontal projectile. Remaining is the numerical. Remaining things are the questions that we do. Everyone got? Yeah, okay, no problem. Okay, yeah, So everyone must remember these results. So you tell me, okay, no problem. You tell me what is Vx? What will happen to Vx? What will happen to horizontal velocity of the projectile? It will remain as u. No change. Are acceleration ledu. Acceleration change. Acceleration ledu. Velocity change ledu. But vertical velocity will increase. It started with 0, but gravity is there now. In vertical direction, body will develop velocity. That velocity with time t will be gt. Done. And always remember, you can write vertical velocity with the help of height also. It's not mandatory. One more thing I will tell you. It's not mandatory to write vertical velocity only using time. Sometimes they say when the ball falls by a height y, at that time if they ask you, then vertical velocity you can find. That time you'll use third equation of motion. Under root of 2gh. Gayatri, very good Ashwak, very good Vikram. There if it falls, not total height fallen you have to see. So there Vy will come 0 square, because Uy is 0 plus 2g into y. So there Vy you can use as under root of 2gy. चमका बात, बोलो. Everyone got the idea? एक बार बोल दो. We'll start with the numerical. Okay, very good. Yeah. So writing done. Okay, no problem. So before starting, just I will ask you to write these 4 formulas again for horizontal projectile. Then we will start with numerical. No one will copy, just you have to maintain honesty, you have to write by yourself. Then I will ask you how many of you got all 4 correct. Done है, लिख लिए. Okay, very good. So I think everyone has written correctly only, no problem. So time of flight will come. I will also see whether I remember or not. Time of flight will come under root of 2h by z. So range here in horizontal projection u into t, that is u into under root of 2h by z. So tan alpha vy by vx, vy we know, sir. gt, vx will be same as u, so gt by u. Final velocity under root of u square plus zt whole square. How many of you got all four correct? Ashwa all correct, Suchita correct, 1509, Oppo, Bikram, Sajia, Rohita, Joshita, Gagandeep, Geetika, Jyotika, Trishal, 22 3000, Sri Vaishnavi, Vivo, Oppo. I think Geetika also gets, Saitya also get, Dale also get, Jyotika also get, Samira also get. Everyone got. AKD also got. I also got. Mine also 4 correct now. All 4 correct now. Mine also are 4 correct now. Yeah, okay, no problem. Okay. I will give you some question. We'll start with some question. You write? We'll start with some question based on these results. Yeah. So first question, basic, easiest one. We'll start the easiest one question. You write? A ball is projected horizontally. A ball is projected horizontally from a tower of height 45 meter. A ball is projected horizontally from a tower of height 45 meter with a speed of 20 meter per second. With a speed of 20 meter per second. Find. First you write. Few parts I will give you. Find. First part. Time of flight. Find. You can simply write capital T. Find first capital T. Second capital R. That is range. Yeah, so capital T will come 3 seconds. Range will come 60 meter. No problem. Yeah. Third. Angle made by final velocity with the horizontal alpha at t equal to 2 seconds. Fourth, final velocity on reaching ground. Final velocity of the projectile on reaching ground. You have to tell me with how much velocity projectile will reach the ground. Yeah, third one is coming 45. Very good. बहुत बढ़िया. Very good. Yeah. Third one is coming 45. Very good. Huh? Kagan, very good. Suchita, very good. Sajia, very good. Everyone is getting, no problem. Simple situation. Sunita is getting very good. Samira got the final fourth answer also. Very good. 10 root 13. 30 will be vertical component. Oppo, 30 will be vertical. So under root of 30. No, Ashwak. यही तो गलती करते हो. Root 2gh you are using, that is vertical only. Velocity means you have to tell under root. Trishal correct. Joshita correct. I think 10 root 13 Joshita. It is not 10 root 3. Sajia wrong. Don't add Sajia 30 plus 20 not 50. You cannot do like that. छी कैसे करोगी? You see, fourth people started doing mistake. Ashwak now correct. 10 root 3 or 10 root 13. I think 30 square plus root 1300 will come. 10 root 13 will come. 10 root, yeah. Oppo correct. Ashwak now correct. Gagandeep correct. Yeah. Joshita correct. Yeah. I think everyone is getting idea. Okay, Ashwak, no problem. I know you did typing mistake only. Yeah. So I think everyone will get. Let's see if anyone is feeling problem. That problem will be solved. And don't only remember. You have to understand the process. You have to understand the process. Then you have to do. Yeah. Ha. Yeah, Vivo, you answered. Vivo, you answered. Yeah. Okay, Vivo. Ha. Very good. Sajia, very good. Gayatri, correct. Very good. All answers, sir. Very easy. Sir, time of flight we know, sir. Under root of 2h 45 by g. No need to solve, sir. This is coming as 3 seconds. Sir, range you want, sir. Range we know. U into under root of 2h by g. So u into under root of 2h by g. Sir, u is given 20. H, sir, this we already calculated 3. So this will come, sir, 60 meter. If anyone asks me angle made by velocity with the horizontal, we know the formula, sir. Tan alpha will be coming as GT by U, sir. So from here, GT, G10 T2 by U. What is U? U is 20, sir. So from here, we are getting tan alpha as 1, sir. So alpha is coming, sir, 45 degrees, sir. No problem. Yeah. Now, yeah. Now, final velocity on reaching ground. Now, for this, you have two options. You have two options for final velocity on reaching ground. One option is use the formula that you remembered, under root of u square plus gt. This is correct. 100% correct formula. This will always give you answer. But now t you have to think. How much time you'll put here? If you are using this, then you have to calculate time, then you have to use 3 seconds, because on reaching ground means time is 3 seconds. You can use this. This will always give you answer. There is no problem in this formula. Sir, under root of u square. What is u, sir? 20. So 20 square. GT, sir. So they are asking you find the speed when the ball will reach the ground. Ball will reach the ground in how much time? So 3 seconds. So 10. G is 10. So 10 into 3, 30. So 30 square. So from here, if you calculate, this will give you root 1300. That will give you 10 root 13. Or someone is saying, no, sir, I don't want to use like this. Height is given, then you have to say, you'll say, sir, vertical velocity I can find, sir. Vy will come under root of 2gh. 2gh. G10, h45. So from here, vertical will come 30, sir. Horizontal will remain same, sir. 20. So net velocity will come, sir. Net velocity will come, sir, on reaching ground under root of 20 square plus 30 square. That will give you same value, 10 root 13. Both options are there. Both ways you can go. Both are correct. Getting the idea? Bolo, 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 bolo. So anyway you can do. It's your choice. It's your choice. You can follow with time also. But if time you are using, then first you have to calculate time of flight, then you will do. Here, if you know the height, directly you can do. I will give you one more question. Chalo, do one more question. You write. A ball is projected horizontally. A ball is projected horizontally. A ball is projected horizontally with a speed of 20 meter per second. A ball is projected horizontally with a speed of 20 meter per second. Find the time after which. Find the time after which. Find the time after which its velocity will make 60-degree angle with the horizontal. A ball is projected with a speed of 20 meter per second horizontally. Find the time after which its velocity will make 60-degree angle with the horizontal. I feel you will give the answer as soon as I will complete. 2 root 3. Yeah, 2 root 3. Yeah, okay. If you wish, you can put the value of root 3 also. Very good. Sajia, very good. Ashwak, very good. Gayatri, very good. One person gave answer earlier, but I did not see. Naveen, very good. Geetika, very good. Bahut badhiya. I'll simply say, sir, angle is given. We already know. Gagandeep, very good. Saitya, very good. Trishal, very good. Bahut badhiya. Bahut badhiya. I will simply say, sir, what's a big deal, sir? Okay. Del, very good. Yeah. Joshita, very good. I think everyone will get. What's so big deal, sir? What's so big deal? Alpha is given. We already know, sir. Tan alpha will be coming as, sir, GT by U. If you forget, then draw the diagram. You'll get the exact idea. Sir, alpha is given 60. So tan 60 will be coming as GT. G is 10 time T, which we want to find. What is U? What is U? U is given as 20. So from here, if you calculate, T will be coming as, this will get cancelled. It is root 3 to root 3. Done, 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 done. Achha, sometimes it is asked like this also. I'll give you one more question. I will give you one more question. You write. Let's see. Little more brain will be required. You write. A boy throws a ball from a tower of height. A boy throws a ball from a tower of height 20 meter. A boy throws a ball from a tower of height 20 meter horizontally with a speed of 10 meter per second. With a speed of 10 meter per second. A boy throws a ball from a tower of height 20 meter horizontally with a speed of 10 meter per second. Find the height of the ball from ground. Find the height of the ball from the ground when its velocity is equally inclined. Find the height of the ball from the ground when its velocity is equally inclined with vertical and horizontal. Equally inclined with vertical and horizontal. Is equally inclined with vertical and horizontal. Equally inclined with vertical and horizontal. Equally inclined means 45 degree, 45 degree. Naveen. Total angle between horizontal and vertical is 90. Equally means 45, 45. Nalvai edu. Nalvai edu. From both axes. Bikram given wrong answer. Gayatri given wrong answer. Trishal total height is 20. How answer will come 20? Bikram, something you have done, but that is mistake C. Some mistake you are doing there. Now Gayatri correct. Sajia wrong. Geetika wrong. 1920 correct. You have to tell height from the ground. The height people are saying 5 meter. That is the height fallen. Kab samjhoge? Height fallen is 5. That's why it is mentioned. Find the height from the ground. Even not mentioned you have. Yeah. Ashwak correct. Venkat correct. 1509 correct. Gagandeep now everyone is saying. But in NEET I will not be there now. Trishal is saying 10. Height of the building was given 20. So 20 minus 5, 15 will come. So first, whenever such question is asked, first calculate the time. Because once you know the time, now you know how much ball has fallen. And once time will be known, ball fallen height will be known now. Find the height from the ground. And you are not doing this type of question for the first time. In free fall also you have done, if you remember. Height from the ground it is asked. If you remember, h minus h by 9, 8h by 9 we used to get. So you have to keep the concept in your mind. Yeah. Otherwise you'll miss in the NEET also. Yeah. I'll simply say, sir, what is it? What's so big deal, sir? Sir, you are asking me height from the ground. So let's check. First, let's check what is the time taken for this, sir. One formula only you know. Tan alpha will be equal to GT by U. What is G? 10 into T by U. U is also 10. Angle given 45. So tan alpha equal to GT by U. So from here you got time, sir. This will be 1. So time came, sir, 1 second. Now in 1 second, how much height ball will fall? Vertical height you can find. You can find this height. You can find this height. And that's why I'm saying to draw the diagram. Because if you draw the diagram, this type of mistakes will not happen. We'll take 5. Don't worry. Yeah. So everyone understood time 1 second. 1 second time समझ में आया? Eh? Are tan alpha gt by u tan alpha. Acha, if you know the time, you can find na how much height it will fall, because vertical velocity is zero na. Vertical velocity is zero na, so you can find the height which ball will fall na. That height fallen you can write h will be, sir, half gt. That's why this height fallen, not the height of the ball from the ground. So half g into t square. So this will give you 5 meter. Now ball was already, now if you see what happened here, ball was already at 20 meter, fallen 5 meter. So what is the height from the ground? You have done this thing, height from the ground will come. Mottam 20, fallen 5, so 20 minus 5, 15 meter. Bolo, 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 done, 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 done. Bolo. Achha, they can also ask you like this. Instead of asking you height, they can ask you, find the horizontal distance from the tower. Find the horizontal distance from the tower where velocity will make an angle of 45 degree. Find the horizontal distance from the tower, not height. Horizontal distance. Can you find that horizontal distance? Can you find that horizontal distance? Find the horizontal distance from the tower where velocity will make an angle of 45 degree with the horizontal. You can find horizontal distance means, you know, u into t. Arey baba, horizontal, just now you calculate u, yeah, correct, very good. So u was 10, t you got 1 second, so you'll be getting horizontal distance as 10 into t1, that is 10 meter. Chamka kya? Chamka kya? Chamka? So many possibilities are there, but concept will not change. So always remember, whenever angle of velocity with the horizontal given, final velocity angle is given with the horizontal, only one thing you have to do. Use tan alpha equal to gt by u, and once you get time, now you are king. कुछ भी पूछ ले, कितना हाइट नीचे आया, कितना हाइट ऊपर, कितना horizontal, कितना velocity, everything you will get. Everyone got the idea? बोलो बोलो बोलो, done 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 done. Done? Okay, very good, very good. I'm giving you time of 5 seconds. See all these questions again. Then we'll talk about some specific questions which are designed for horizontal projectile. These are the questions based on the equations, the formula that we studied. Some specific question also we'll talk. Once you complete, you can say done, sir. And now people are so ready that before I will complete, you can say done sir is coming also. What speed you are typing? कौन से speed से type कर रहे हो? Yeah, okay, speed of light. Okay. But don't solve with the speed of light. Yeah. Otherwise, calculation error will have. Okay, very good. No problem. Now. Your favorite question. Okay. Achha, one favorite question, if you remember, in flood zone, flood is there, helicopter is there, people flood came, people will get food, helicopter will give, everyone remember that? Yeah, maybe some people are new people, so I will tell, just see here, okay, no problem, Pulihora packet, Chennai, yeah, okay, no problem, So understand, many times what happened now, in some of the regions suddenly flood comes, and when flood comes, people go at the top of their house. People will go to some open area or top of the house. There they will not have, flood is there, everywhere water is there, they can only drink water, but that water is not also suggested to drink. There people require food. Can you tell me who will give? Puli hora is there, or anything, biryani is there, chicken biryani is there, mutton biryani is there. Who will give? Jaggu Anna. Your Jagan Anna will give. Government will give. Next time if flood will come, call to me. I will ask them to give Domino's pizza, burger. Who gives rice, milk packet, bread packet? Next time if such thing will happen, you will get better. Yeah, you'll get mutton biryani. Helicopter pilot will only eat. Yeah, okay, okay, no problem. So what happens? So what happens? So what happens? Just here, just here, just here. Okay, I will tell very fast. Yeah, government give, Jagadanna give, government supply. Okay, no problem. Now, point is, when these food packets are given up personally, they cannot go. They cannot come to your rooftop. There, they will park the helicopter and they will say, "Beta, you are stuck in flood. Take packet pakdo." Or don't expect that they will open the packet and with their hand they will put in your mouth. That is only done by mom. Only mother can do that. Yeah. Okay, okay, is it okay? Yeah, 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 okay, okay, no problem. Yeah, okay. So there one helicopter will be, because they have to give to lakhs of people are stuck. So one helicopter will keep on flying at low height and food packets are dropped from the helicopter. You tell me, these food packets which are dropped from helicopter, will they fall vertically down? Will they fall vertically down? No, they will follow parabolic path. Same as you drop one water bottle from the train thinking that bottle is going down, for you it is going down, but for observer on ground it will follow parabolic path. Same thing is happening here also. So just see here what will happen. Okay, no, I think everyone has the idea. Point is, helicopter flying horizontally na. So food packet is in helicopter na. So food packet is also flying horizontally. So food packet will also get horizontal velocity of the helicopter. So this is what will happen. So if this is the helicopter, I became perfect in drawing the helicopter. Yeah. Draw this diagram so that while revising this question, you will see important question. You see how perfect I became. Okay. Wow. Wow. AKD, so nice helicopter. Oh, windows are not good for helicopter. Nice windows I have to make. This is how Jagan Anna will look from the helicopter. He will look all of you, whether my yeah, people of the house, 5 marks for diagram. Yeah, yeah. Those days were so nice school days. 10 marks for 10 marks for good handwriting, 5 marks for diagram, teacher giving anything, le lo. Oval, this is, I changed the definition of helicopter. New type of helicopter I have discovered. Oval shape. Okay, no problem. Those days were nice na? कोई टेंशन नहीं, डायग्राम बना के 5 नंबर. Good handwriting, 10 marks. Yeah, okay, no problem, no problem. Okay, okay, yeah, okay. Schooling, yeah, okay, no problem. Acha, Ashwak, no problem. Yeah, now handwriting doesn't matter. So what will happen? If helicopter is flying with you, food packet drop will also get same velocity u. So question is asked, if the helicopter is flying at height h, where the man should stand to get the packet. So what will happen? This will follow parabolic path. It will reach to the man. So they ask this range. So range you can find. You already know range will be u into under root of 2h by g. Kar loge question. Will you be able to do? Does everyone will be able to do? Does everyone will be able to do such question? Okay. Yeah. So range is the same question we got. Yeah. Okay. So we can find from it. Now here is one point. If I ask, we have already talked about this situation, but still again I will say, because important. Yeah. Achha, if anyone asks you, see here, 2 observer, if I put 2 observer, one on the ground, one the pilot of helicopter, can you tell me what is the path of the food packet according to the pilot? What pilot will say? If you call the pilot and ask, तुझे food packet कैसा दिखता है? What you observe? Vertical straight line. He will feel that food packet is always below him only. Always exactly below him only. Why I am saying? Because horizontal velocities are equal. You have already done. According to pilot, path of the food packet will be vertical straight line. Not horizontal now. Yeah. Now vertical straight line. And according to this man on the ground, path will be parabola. Parabola. किसने बोला, किसको बोला, कब बोला, कहाँ बोला, किस लिए बोला, क्यों नहीं बोला? Parabola. बोलो बोलो बोलो. Done 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 done. Ha. Okay, no problem. No problem. Ha. Now see one more type of question which is asked. One more type of question which is asked. I think you will be able to do, but still I will tell. Yeah. Once teacher says your brain will open more, you will be able to think more. So one more situation I will talk. Is it okay? Acha, tell me, from helicopter, do we always drop food packet? Do we always drop only food packet? Huh? Does only biryani will be dropped? Bottle will be also dropped, bomb will be also dropped. So same question is used for fighter bomber also. Fighter bomber also. Water bottle will be also dropped. Yeah. Yeah, of course you cannot drink that water. So of course water bottle will be also dropped. But bombs are also dropped. In war zone, these are known as fighter bombers. Fighter bombers. Yeah. In Hiroshima, Nagasaki, they dropped atom bomb from not helicopter, because helicopter cannot go to more height. They dropped from horizontally flying aeroplane, jet plane. Yeah. Done. Done. I know all these things. People ask, sir, how you know all these things? Because I was in army training. I was raw agent. I should not tell to you. Sorry. Yeah. Leave it. Huh? Let's move towards the next part. This complete secret now. Yeah. Arey Baba, it's secret. I cannot tell. Don't ask. No, sir, tell that. Yeah. Anyhow, it came from my mouth. I have to delete from YouTube this part. I have to edit. Till at the end I cannot tell. No. Okay. Leave it. Now we'll move to the next part. Yeah. Okay. No problem. Now see, we'll move towards next part, which is easy only, but okay, I will say to you. Sometimes what happens? You have seen. Okay, no problem. Be focused here. You have seen some stunt man jumping from one building to another building. Have you seen stuntman in the movies jumping from one building to another building? Always remember, all these jumping are done with the help of the two formula which you studied now, formula of range and formula of range. That result is used for this. Yeah. If they don't do the calculation properly, because if your stuntman will jump, and that's why you'll see before jumping every stuntman will run on the roof. Why they run on the roof? In order to acquire velocity. If they acquire more velocity, they will miss this building. Instead of reaching on this building, somewhere else they will reach. If they will run with more velocity, then possibility is this. If they run with less velocity, possibilities. So that's why they require exact velocity to land on the other building. And for that we can find very easily. Because separation between the two building. Can you tell me, if this man is jumping, now this man is the projectile. Can you tell me what will be the range? What will the range of this projectile? What will be the range? Who will behave as range? Separation between the two building. Separation one place to other. Yeah. So always remember, this separation between the two building, that is D, will behave as range. And if height of first building is h1, height of second building is h2, can you tell me what is the height fallen by the projectile? Height fallen by the h1 minus, that is our h in the formula of range. H will be our h1 minus h2. If you know this, you can find u very easily. Sir, range will be equal to d, and that will be equal to, sir, u into under root of 2h by g. H will be your h1 minus h2. Bolo, 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 bolo. Done, 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 done. You have the devices. Naveen, you can know your velocity while running. You can know. Or that you can get by training. Vidyut Jamal jump because he has training of that. It's not like that you will sit in the room and you will calculate the velocity and go and run with that velocity to reach to the other building. Not possible. Training required. Training is required. Naveen got the idea? In training, after training yourself, you learn. You can know your speed. No problem. This is how I will give you one question. Come on, you write. Ashwak is asking a good question. Yeah, Ashwak, for becoming that secret agent, you need to go through all these training. So that's why I know. But I'm not that agent, okay? Don't say to anyone, I'm not that agent. I never said. Okay. Do the question, do the question. You write. A stuntman wants to jump. You write, a stuntman wants to jump. A stuntman wants to jump from a building of height 120 meter. A stuntman wants to jump from a building of height 120 meter to another building of height 40 meter. A stuntman wants to jump from a building of height 120 meter to another building of height 40 meter. To another building of height 40 meters. Sahitya, I'm not asking difference of height. Sahitya is saying answer 80. 120 minus 40. Why I will ask that? Yeah, Sahitya, kya ho gaya? Acha, hungry. Okay, okay, no problem, no problem, no problem. Yeah, find the difference of height of tower. That is the question. Find the difference of height of tower. Everyone is giving answer also. Chi, ye question पूछेगा. One tower of 120, other tower of 40. What is the height of tower? Chi. Okay, no problem. Yeah. A stuntman wants to jump from a building of height 120 meter to another building of height 40 meter. Separated by distance of separated by distance of 100 meter. Separated by distance of 100 meter. Yeah, Bikram correct. Find the speed with which stuntman will run. Ashwak doing calculation mistake. Surita very good. Gitika very good. Trishal very good. Find the speed with which stuntman will run. 25 meter per second. Range will come 100 and time will come 4. So we are going to get 25 meter per second. Find the speed with which stuntman will run. If you feel any problem, this is 120 meter, this is 40 meter. So height which our stuntman has to fall is 80 meter. So I'll simply say the range is given. Separation between the building is the range. Range is the separation that we know, sir, u into under root of 2h 80 by z. So this will get cancelled. So 100 will be coming as, this is root 16 4u. So u will come 25 meters. Is it okay? Is it okay? Ajay, what do you think? Is it possible for this man to run exactly with 25 meter per second? Then he should fall now. Less than 25 he will fall now. More than 25 he will fall now. Exactly 25 required now. Is it exactly 25 required? No, because building is not, this is not, building will have top like this. Even he will land here, no problem. Even he will land here, no problem. Land, no problem, no problem. So they always calculate for the middle of building. And if his speed is more or less, that he will fall. If it is much more or less, then he will land down. Yeah, building will have width. Okay, yeah, correct. So this is how we have talked about for today's class. Is it okay? Is it okay? Up to Pansar also don't know about that. No one knows about that. It came out of my mouth in emotions. Okay, no problem. But don't tell to anyone. Yeah. So this is how we have talked about. More situation we'll be talking in the next class. For today, we'll be ending our class here only. Okay. Tata, bye bye. Yeah. Okay, okay. Huh. We'll do all those things. For today, we'll be ending here. Tata, bye bye. Take care. Study well. Study well. बहुत ध्यान से पढ़ो. बहुत अच्छे से पढ़ो. जब तक तोड़ेंगे नहीं तब तक छोड़ेंगे नहीं. जब तक फोड़ेंगे नहीं तब तक छोड़ेंगे नहीं. लग के डट के मेहनत करना है और सक्सेस पाना है. We have to be doctor, sir. Everything we have in the life, only one thing kawali, that is the doctor tag, and we will get it. We'll not beg for it. We are not beggar. We are not beggar. We will not beg for it. We will get whatever we will deserve. And if we do the hard work, yes, we deserve. And yes, if we deserve, we will get it, sir. We'll steal, yeah, we'll snatch. We'll not, yeah, we'll be owner. We'll be owner. Our destiny, we are owner of our destiny. By doing hard work, we'll become owner of our destiny. We'll snatch from NTA. For that, we will work hard. All the best. More situation next class. Tata, bye bye, take care, bye.